You think snoring is just an annoying sound? What if that noise is actually your body struggling to breathe? Snoring isn't always just sleeping deeply. Sometimes it's a warning sign for obstructive sleep apnea. What's happening? Your throat muscles relax too much and your airway gets blocked. You literally stop breathing. This can happen hundreds of times in one night, and if you ignore it, it can lead to serious stuff like heart disease and stroke. The fix is simple: a CPAP machine. You wear a mask, and it blows gentle air to keep your airway open all night. No more choking, no more loud snoring, just actual good sleep for once. If you or your loved one snores like crazy, talk to a doctor about a sleep study. Don't just ignore it.